All right, guys, got the Civic out here today, and I'm gonna try to finish up some stuff on it. Gonna work on the wing and got a little shifter knob. It's a white ball shifter that's a universal one. Let's see if I can make it fit on here. It actually doesn't fit the thread, so I'm gonna see if I can make that fit, and then I'll probably paint her nice and minty. All right, guys, there's the shifter ball. So I sanded it with some fine sandpaper, hit it with a coat of primer, hit it with 2 coats of the mint, deep mint paint, and then hit it with a heavy coat of this professional grade clear. So give it about 15 minutes, then I'm gonna hit it with another coat of heavy clear, and then I think it's gonna be pretty good. All right, guys, so here is the wing, and this is the type SI, you know, the SI type wing. I'm gonna try to get it mounted up. So the first thing I'm gonna do, get this thing out of here, and then bolts are down in there somewhere. And I'm gonna go ahead and run the bolts in here and just make them stick out pretty good. Set it up on the trunk and then mark where the bolt heads are, and put some tape down on the back of the trunk, and that should be pretty good. Put some tape down right here, mark where the spots are, and then that'll line it up. I can measure from that point and then drill them and see if we can get the same bolted. Bolts in here, just barely put in there, just a little bit, just enough to raise it up. Take the wing, set it up here. Put my tape on here, and set it on the tape and kind of eye it. This thing is kind of heavy towards the rear, actually. It's wanting to fall backwards. So get that kind of lined up, kind of get it in place. We'll do some measurements and then see if we can mark our holes. All right, so you can see my little marks in here. I just taken a pencil and drawn on the tape there. So I think that looks pretty good. So should be able to drill that, make sure it's gonna mount right, and then we'll get it painted. All right, got the holes drilled on both sides. And you can see on the back side here, there's actually like 2 little divots right here, like bump outs actually in the bodywork on both sides, but they're both a little bit too far out. But that was probably the original mounting holes, which means I got super close to where the stock wing would have went on here. But it looks like this aftermarket wing isn't exactly the same as the stock wing, doesn't seem like, because they're both inside. So see if we can get it mounted. Right, got the wing fitted up, had to adjust the holes just slightly and make all that work, and now I'm ready to throw down some color. We'll see how that goes. See what this paint lays down so well. It's amazing. All right, bottom is done. Now wait for that to dry and we'll flip it over and do the other side. All right, there it is. So the top coat is painted now, and looks pretty good. So just wait for that to cure, and then we can throw it on here. Good job. Awesome.
So that's me riding a bike without trainings.
All right, I think the spoiler is about dry. Feels pretty good. You can touch it now. So I'm gonna set it up here. My little helper is over there playing, so let me a rag here, set it down so we can get everything lined up, and then pull the tape off, do a little bit of silicone so we can get her bolted up. Little helper. Hit the brakes.
Okay.
Is it hot?
Yeah.
Pull it quick. Pull it quick. Quick, quick. There you go. I get there.
Oh, my hand.
Okay, pushing the brakes. All right. They work. Sweet. All right, let's go. Shifter ball is done. That looks pretty sweet. Look at that. Cool. All right, guys, that is it. That looks pretty good. Pretty happy with that. Think that'll work.